Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So this is a little bit unusual. I'm doing a pack with me video because my daughter is graduating this weekend coming up. So yes, less than a week from today, my daughter is graduating from her 4-year degree and we're heading up there, my husband, myself, my sister, and it's gonna be a long weekend. So we're heading up around 5 a.m. on Friday morning, take about 4 hours to get there. We're going to check in our hotel first, which is like a half an hour from campus. And the reason why it's so far from campus is because the prices at campus are ridiculous and we're sold out. So we're staying a half an hour away and we'll have to drive to her campus. It's a 2-day event, okay? On Friday at 3 o'clock, we need to be at the football stadium. The ceremony starts at 5, but they're telling us to start getting there at 3 because it takes a while for everyone to move in, get settled, park, etc. So, unfortunately, it's going to be in the 60s and raining as of now on Friday. And she's graduating outside at a football stadium. So I wanted to share with you what I decided to wear. It kind of was like I had to go to plan B for that because the weather was just not cooperating. So the first thing I'm bringing along is an umbrella. The next thing I'll bring along is my raincoat. And then instead of the cute little sundress I was planning on wearing, I switched to my quid suit. Why did I choose this? Well, it's a little bit dressier and the pants are stretchy, elastic back, and they should be comfortable wearing and sitting in the bleachers and keep me warm. I'm wearing my cute little Vince Camuto sweater underneath, and I'm wearing the matching jacket too to keep me warm because 60 degrees in the rain, I'm gonna be cold. So I think with these 3 pieces, you know, the jacket, the sweater, and my raincoat, I think I'll be okay. And we're not doing any kind of celebration that evening because it will be a madhouse in that area. And by the time the ceremony starts at 5, it will probably be over at 7 or so, maybe even 8, and probably take us an hour just to get out of that area and get back to our hotel, you know? And again, the hotel's half an hour away. So we're figuring we'll be lucky if we get back at our hotel at 9 o'clock at night, and that's without any kind of celebration afterwards. But that's the big ceremony on Friday for all the graduates. There's 17,000 seating possibilities in that stadium, and supposedly 20 to 25,000 show up for graduation. Now, because it is a yucky, rainy day, I expect that number to be less. So I think I'm prepared with this, all right? Now, usually, especially in road trips, I'm a maximalist when it comes to packing. I pack everything. I pack everything with the bathroom sink. I love to pack and have options on my trips. However, with this one, we're moving her back. And we have myself, my husband, my sister, and her in the car. So we got 4 people in the car, and we have all of her stuff we're moving back. So this is going to get tricky. So I had to be very strategic in what I was bringing. And I fit it all in one backpack. All right, so we're going on a Friday. I'm gonna wear that outfit all day Friday in the car going up, all day Friday, and then to the stadium at night. And then Saturday, she has another ceremony, and that's for her individual college. So I brought this dress, all right? This is a White House black market dress. It is, you know, long with 3/4 length sleeves. It's kind of a mini style length. And for both of these, I'm going to just be wearing my Vivaya flats because they're comfortable and walking around, you know, is not fun. So that's what I will be wearing. So this is what I'll wear to the indoor ceremony on Saturday. And I have 1 pair of pajamas for 2 nights. All right, I just need 1. And then for the road trip back on Sunday, I have a short sleeve sweatshirt and a pair of jeans, and I'll continue wearing those Vivaya flats. And in here I have some socks and some underwear. And my toiletries, I squished here in the side of the thing. So I just wanted to share with this with you. I'm kind of proud of myself. I'm actually able to take for a 3-day weekend a backpack. But unfortunately, I have to be very careful with the packing of this trip because there really is no room in the car. And there is a good possibility one of us might even have to take the bus back home. That's how crowded the car is going to be. Well, thank you again, returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click that notification, get notified future videos from me. Give me that thumbs up, swipe the hype. Take care, and until next time.